Alright guys, we're back. This is her linkage arm for the DR650, the lower linkage arm. And I've cleaned it up. I wanted to make sure all of these bores that I'm putting my new bearings in were free of debris, grease, dirt, grime, sand, everything. So make sure those are cleaned up really good. Over here, I have all the old bearings I pulled out, lined up. Not that much so much, but these bearings are all needle bearings, and I pulled those 4 out of it. I bought new bearings, which are all right here. Okay, like $100 for all this. They come with the seal caps, the pins, everything comes. Here's a new pin, so that's pretty neat. But we got to make sure we're using the correct bearing, so we don't press the wrong bearing in. Like these are the same height, but they're different sizes, so it's just something I'm doing. But that's what we're doing right now, guys. We're gonna press these bearings back into the new, into the old linkage arm. So stay tuned.
Playing a whole bunch of songs you may not have heard in a while. The best variety.
Okay, here we are right here.
And today, sunny 98.5.
Hope that's a good setting. Yeah, you can see me. Alright, so just read the book. It pretty much states what I was telling everybody. You know, check your new bearings. These are all the new ones. With the old ones to make sure they're the same. They are. That's the new one for that, new one for that, new one for that. So that's what we're going to do. We're checking to make sure that they're identical, and they are. And it says the manufacturing marks. See these marks? I don't know if you can see them or not. Lighting's not good. They're stamped manufacturing marks on the bearing. They face out. So it presses in with the bearing markings facing out. Let's go. I'm sure this will go just dandy. Sure they're clean. You don't want no debris in there. They won't press in if they're dirty. So this one here, no, this one here. Or here. Oh boy. I've already got it messed up. Okay. So these little dudes, they don't go there. One goes there. And these two go here. This big dude. Uh-oh. Oh, no, I'm dropping things. Okay, so this is an old bearing I'm using on this. All fleshed up. This is the new bearing, and that's my 32mm socket, my vise. I'm going to try to press that back in there. Hey everybody, I did not film the actual pressing of the bearing, but I will tell you some tips. Just make sure everything lines up and clears the inside of that arm so you don't gall it. And just gently work that vise with that bearing, make sure everything's lined up, and it will indeed press it into your linkage. And don't forget to go to my playlist for how-to motorcycle mechanics, where I'm putting all these videos. They're quite helpful. And thanks for subscribing and sharing these videos. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.